How to create a Discord account. So you have to follow these steps. So first of all, go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Discord and tap install. Once installed, tap on the Discord icon on your phone or launch the app. On the welcome screen, tap the register button to begin creating your new Discord account. Type in a valid email address that you want to use for your Discord account and tap next. Type in your desired display name that others will see when you chat or join servers. Choose a unique username that will be used to identify your account across Discord. Enter a strong and secure password for your Discord account and tap next. Enter your date of birth accurately to verify your age and tap next to continue. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Discord and click the verify link to confirm your account. If prompted, complete the CAPTCHA verification to prove you are not a robot. Add a profile picture and customize your profile to make your Discord account unique yours. Your account is now ready. Tap Get Started and join servers, chat with friends and explore Discord communities. Thank you for watching.